What's good, guys? It's your boy Mikey D, Mikey David, whatever but you want to call me today. Excuse me. We're driving in my 335, so it has some forms, so excuse me. But we're just chilling out, going for a little drive around the neighborhood, pull out the bad boy for the day. You know how it is when we pull this homeboy out, well, homegirl out, or sexy mother lover out, whatever you want to call it. But you know, usually whenever I do these little mini vlogs, I usually have nothing to talk about, but I just would like to focus on one little small topic regarding BMWs and how people always say, oh, BMW is so overpriced, oh, this and that. Listen, I want to see if your little Benz offer maintenance packages and all of that, you know? I'm a BMW guy. I've always been a BMW guy since God knows what. Since the first M3 came out, the E46, not the first, but the first M3 I've actually seen was the E46 M3 Coupe, and might I say, that was spectacular. I actually loved that M3, bro. It was amazing. But personally now, I'm more into the 335s now, but I'm also looking at a M4 as well. M4 is nice. What the hell you honking at? What the hell people honking at me like as if they know me, bro? I don't know you, bro. That's like a whole bunch of little ass people, bro, chilling out. Sorry. Let's make a left and go down this block. Well, everybody been asking me to do a little pull on my car. There it is, boys. There it is. Give you guys one more pull on this bad boy. You know, I'm not a big fan of driving my car too hard because, as you know, the harder you drive a car, the more likely you are to get problems with it, things go wrong, check engine lights pop up. You know, that's what you want to avoid in a BMW, because in the moment when these cars goes in the shop, especially if you really care about your car, you want to take it to one of the best shops there is. You know, you're going to spend a little arm and a leg, especially if you take it to BMW, because you know how this goes. They charge arm and a leg. In New York, there's not enough room to really do anything, so you just really gotta bear with what they offer you in New York City. You know what I mean? So if you guys did enjoy that little pull, a little drive around of my neighborhood in my 335, be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit that little bell button. Become part of the notification squad. I usually don't post up too many videos on this channel, but hey, I'm back, and I'm gonna try to do daily uploads, because, you know, with the way YouTube is going right now, you need to do daily uploads to even grow. You know, before it's quality over quantity. Now it's quantity over quality. You know, so you see how YouTube's changing? As time goes on, YouTube's always changing. But on the bright side, guys, I'm out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe, drive fast, and let that turbo spool. I don't know. I gotta come with an ending for that. That sounds pretty catchy. So peace out, guys. I love you guys.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.